Okay, there's just 3 clips on each side in the front that hold the carpet in, and you can unscrew those with your hand, or it actually uses a special driver head for it, but it's a 3-prong device. But it's also got a small slot for a straight screwdriver. But they're usually not in very tight, and it's about 2 turns of them and they come right out. The accessibility is a little bit difficult, but it's not too bad. Then I just remove the 3 here, and then you quickly pull back and the loose carpet. Okay, I'll just get the 3 on the other side and we can remove the carpet. Okay, I'm just going to remove the 3 fasteners on this side of the car and we pull the carpet out. There's one located on the far right side up above the gas pedal. The middle one is located on this one with automatic directly behind the brake. And the third one is over here on the footrest for your left foot there, just right above it. Now I got those out, and I'll do the same thing over here. Okay, after I got those 3 retaining out, on this car it's got one more issue. There's a pad assembly for footrest for your left foot, and we need to remove that, and then we pull the carpet out. So we'll cover that in our next segment. Please watch our next segment on removing the carpet part 2.